Hello, here's a set of crow's feet wrenches. They're 3/8 drive. Inexpensive. There's decent chroming on them, and you can see a few irregularities. And I'm putting my snap-on ratchet on top of there. Just to make a point, I own good tools, and but within everybody's toolbox, there are times when an inexpensive tool can come in handy. If you needed a sacrificial wrench and you wanted to handle onto something, this socket costs about 1/10 as much as a 1-inch crow's foot from Snap-on or one of the other companies. They're all similarly priced. So, I'd have a heart attack if I wanted to do that. But, and, for the regular guy out there, I'm not trying to be a snob, tool snob, these will work perfectly well and in their intended purpose, and you don't have to put them on a Snap-on 3/8 drive, whatever drive you're using. And I realize that a ratchet's probably not the way we typically use crow's feet wrenches, but so you put an extension on them to get down low, whatever you're going to do. But anyway, you should not feel bad about owning these, and they come on a little strip of organizing mount clips. So you go from 1 inch down to 3/8. I think these are available in metric also. But yeah, a lot of bang for the buck, and they'll work just fine. But these are not investment quality tools, and they're not meant to be. There's no pretense in the whole thing. But anyway, give them a try. I think you'll be surprised, and that they'll do the job for you. Cheers.